up YouTube, this is Joel2TV back with more for you to see, and today we have a special unboxing and review on the Puma Mb.01. Now these sneakers right here are actually something very different and very unique, and it's something I've been excited for quite a while, and I actually made an announcement video about these being released. This is actually Lamelo Ball's first signature sneaker outside of his family's Big Baller brand. Now before we even get into the sneaker, I really want to just talk about presentation, because that is the first thing you're going to be hit with when you go to unbox a sneaker. When I went into the store at Champs and I saw this box come towards me just to try on the size, I automatically was already like, all right, these sneakers are special. Now I know most people don't typically keep their box, but I think with the presentation that they ended up creating with this box is something special, and it's something that you will keep it just even as a display piece, because I mean, look at this. First things first, it's something that you don't see very often, which is a nice little window to see into the box. And outside of that, it almost feels kind of like an action figure. I don't know if that's what they were going for, but it looks like an action figure box where it kind of like shows the inside of the box with this clear plastic right here. What it really reminded me of was Buzz Lightyear. This actually is like all space theme. It's like a whole bunch of galaxy, and it was kind of cool because the theme was like being more than just a normal person. So this is a very cool box, and as you can see all around the entire box, it just has a whole bunch of galaxy and stuff like that. And it's, you know, it's very special because I mean, this is a whole new silhouette. It's just a really cool looking box. So this, before even getting into the sneaker, was a good sign when I got it from Pumas. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box, and as you can see, you are shown with the two sneakers sitting right there. And man, this colorway is great. Now, most people that know me know that my favorite color is red, and something like this that is an all red silhouette is definitely me. After watching some of Puma's promo videos about this, the design that's up here, what I originally thought in my preview video was actually wings. I thought these were wings, but actually they're flames coming from Lamelo's tattoo, because he has a rocket ship on the side of his leg, and these are supposed to be the flames that connect. So I mean, us people that don't have that tattoo, you know, it's not as special to us, but it is a connection of Lamelo Ball, and it's something that is worth noting. Coming down here to the sole of the sneaker, you can see these 3 X's. I'm not really sure what that's supposed to resemble, but it's actually a pretty good touch. Something I really like about this sneaker specifically is the fact that it has a whole bunch of different shapes and designs in it, and something that they always do is just make their sneaker stand out. Now going on to the front of the sneaker, you're gonna see that it says 1 of 1 on the tongue, and right under that is gonna be the Lamelo Ball logo. And something that I thought with this logo is that it looked like the Firebird logo. That's what I originally said in my preview video. And something that was special to me is because like me and Burt Reynolds had a connection, so this Firebird being right here on the tongue of the sneaker was just something that really had a connection to me. I don't know if they're paying homage to Burt Reynolds or the Firebird, but that's definitely what that logo always reminds me of. And then right below the tongue, you're gonna see it says "not from here," which is continuing on with this theme that he is different and he is unique. Now right here on the tongue, you can feel this quality like plastic woven into the fabric, and this is to give a little bit more security at the toe box area, especially when you're doing those toe drags and stuff like that on court, because at the end of the day, obviously this is a basketball performance sneaker and it is supposed to be very durable. Now over here, you're obviously going to see a Puma swoosh, which is a very nice little touch. Now moving on to the inside of the sneaker, instead of it being an embroidered flame, you're just gonna see that it is imprinted right here on the side in different forms of this red colorway. And actually the color is called Red Blast Fiery Red. When you're going to look for stuff to match with this, make sure you're looking for Red Blast Fiery Red when you're shopping for a matching outfit for this. Now I'm gonna go over it a little bit more. That I really love the sole. For some reason, the cushioning on here feels like you're gonna get a nice little bit of bounce, and it does have a nice cage that's going around the contour of your foot, so it's gonna really keep you stable inside of this sneaker. Now moving on to the bottom, as you can see right there, it says rare to keep the theme going that he is unique. And also at the very heel of the sneaker, you're gonna see that it says 1 of 1. So something that I do know is that it does look kind of similar to the Kyrie 3s, especially with these kind of diamond-like shapes going on the bottom of the sneaker. It shouldn't have to take away from like what his really nice and unique kind of colorway and design has brought to the table. So don't let some inspiration, you know, stray you away from wanting to get something like this. Something that I actually noticed right here is that it says Golden Child. Now something that's very interesting to note with that is the fact that I think out of the 3 Ball brothers, I think that Lamelo Ball is the only one with an actual signature sneaker, you know, with a big box company. So I think that's pretty unique, especially for Lamelo Ball being the youngest. So, you know, shout out to him, especially winning Rookie of the Year. Good for him and his success. Now, something with sizing, what I'd always recommend is if you can get your hands on them and go in the store and try them out to see how they would fit on you yourself, I would say go ahead and do that. But if you can't, trust me and say that if you have just like a regular foot, I would say go true to size. Now, when I had the Dreamers, I really had to go a half size up. But in this situation with the MB1s, you can go true to size, and that was, at least for me, I believe you can go true to size because these fit, you know, perfectly, and they're very, very, very comfortable. I personally think that Puma basketball has been doing their thing, have been really trying to stand out and be that underdog that's gonna come up and you know, pull these really good athletes in. I think there's quite a few different athletes, especially in the NBA, that have come over to Puma because they have those quality sneakers at a much affordable price. These came in at $125 at retail, and I'm very excited to see, you know, the direction that Puma basketball is going. This isn't even sponsored by Puma. It's just me giving props to the companies that really are doing something unique, and not only that, doing something that's affordable for the people like us that would really like to collect these sneakers and keep them in our collection. So this is a huge one to add to your collection, and if you can, please do that. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of these. Do you like this colorway? Do you think it's a little much? I don't know. These are definitely going to be staying in my collection, and I will be playing a lot of basketball in these and breaking necks on the court. Anyways, thank you for watching. Jolo2TV out.